Foods to assist your acidity reflux. Liver organ. Liver organ, for example chicken, poultry, fish, and seafood, are low-fat and lower symptoms of acidity reflux. Use them grilled, broiled, baked, and poached. Ginger. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory qualities, and it is an all-natural strategy to acid reflux along with other gastrointestinal problems. To include grated or sliced ginger root to recipes or smoothies, or drink ginger tea to help ease symptoms. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is really a breakfast favorite, an entire rice, and loaded with fiber. Oatmeal can absorb acidity within the stomach and lower symptoms of reflux. Other fiber options include whole rice breads and wholeRice rice. Eggwhites. Eggwhites make the perfect option. Avoid egg yolks that are full of fat and could trigger reflux symptoms. Healthy fats. Causes of healthy fats include avocados, walnuts, flaxseed, essential olive oil, sesame oil, and sunflower oil. Reduce your consumption of fatty foods and trans fats and replace all of them with these healthier unsoaked fats.